Hello, I hope everyone is okay and life is good. I'm a graduate in computer science and I really took initiative to try and understand how do we program computers to work like a replica for human brains. The computer was built on the basis of memory. For anything to be executed in a computer, it must have a memory. We write some code and then compile it and then run it or execute it. And that is the same way the human brain operates. The inventors of these computers had to copy it from how the human brain operates. They had to observe how the human mind operates. So we have the conscious memory in a human brain, and also we have the subconscious memory in the human brain, which is also in the computers. We have the RAM in the computer and also the ROM also in the computer. The RAM is the same as the conscious memory. It's the active memory. And on the other side, we have the ROM, which is also the subconscious mind in the human memory. Now, understanding self worth is the beginning of progress. It takes your inner power to understand the operation of your mind. How can you know your worth if you don't know how everything goes on in your own mind? If you can understand how your mind operates, then you will never let anyone use you. You will never be a slave to anyone. You will master your own mind. And mastering your own mind, you need to understand how your mind works. All right, you need to understand that the only vehicle you have in your life is the human body. And you need to control how this human body should work to serve you, not to serve others. So the human conscious mind loves adventure. It's the memory that you use to execute day to day goals. The human conscious mind will always tell you between right and wrong. It will give you a chance to choose whether to go for risk or to remain in your comfort zone. So we have the subconscious memory on the other side, which is the storage memory. Everything you've ever gone through from your childhood to where you are has a file or has a script stored in your subconscious memory. It only takes you to concentrate and you will remember so many things that will flow in line with your memory from the experiences that are within the subconscious mind. It relies more on emotions, the images, the experiences. All is stored in the subconscious memory. And once you want to go ahead, once you want to achieve new things, it will always check to see whether anything that you want to achieve is within its experience or within the emotions, and if it's not there, it will deny you the chance of going ahead. It wants your flesh to stay in a comfort zone. But the conscious mind is more of logic. It's reasonable. It wants adventure. It wants you to go somewhere. It wants you to achieve certain things for yourself, for your family, for your nation. So it will always propel you into doing certain things. But because you have the subconscious mind, and it's the biggest part of your mind because it stores so much stuff and it's bigger than the conscious mind. So you are like in an opposite direction flow. The conscious mind is going in an opposite direction from subconscious mind, and that requires you to guard your subconscious mind every day from negative self-talk, from negative stuff. Anything that does not propel you towards your goal must not be allowed in your subconscious mind. So you need to guard your mind every day from the influence of negative people or associates. Do not underestimate the power of negative influence from those you live with, from the people you work with. In other words, it's very difficult to succeed in a company of negative people who never focus on their future financial independence, and they just want to move with the cloud. They just want to pass time. If you want to reach your goals in life, you need to obsess your subconscious mind with the goal. You need to get those images. See yourself see your destiny, see the things you want to achieve in life, and obsess those images, those emotions, the experience that you want to undergo. Obsess it to your subconscious mind. Let it feel yourself in that goal. And eventually, it will start bringing all these ways on how you must go, do this, wake up early, do certain things, exercise always to have reserve energy. It will propel you or help you because it's a storage memory. It has so many resolutions that it can give you so that you move towards your goal. If God gave you a big dream and you believe that you can accomplish great things, you must surround yourself with like-minded people to keep focused on your goal rather than complaining, griping, and thinking so negative. No, negative and faithless or highly critical people will impede your growth and cause your dreams to remain dormant, to live a stagnant life, to live in mediocrity. Negative people will extinguish your burning desire and cause you to settle for mediocrity. Regardless of your great potential, you will begin to settle for mediocre achievements, mediocre relationships, and mediocre life, which is not your goal. And this is a result of you letting yourself have negative things come into your mind. You watch movies, you watch comedy, you listen to music, watch music, which is negative and it's not propelling you towards the goal you want out of life. Anyway, the good news is that you are not stuck in mediocrity and your dreams are not dead yet. Your dreams may be at the moment dormant, but they are still alive and awaiting to be awakened by your own effort, your genius effort, your conscious obsession, so that the subconscious mind is aligned with the conscious mind. If you master the courage to change who you spend time with and choose to surround yourself with positive people who are full of faith, people who are optimistic rather than pessimistic, then your dream will be awakened and you will start to dream and believe again. Eagles do not belong in the company of chickens and never send eagles to duck school. Now is the time to leave the chicken coop and soar, and ducks to belong to the slower group. You are the captain of your own mind. You are the captain of your own memory. Direct your memory righteously, and you shall reach a well-designed destiny. If you obsess your mind, if you work on your mind, if you try and understand how your mind operates, trust me, you're gonna reach your goal and you're gonna achieve all you want out of life. All right, love you and speak to you soon.